Paper art. A handicraft art infused with the warmth of human touch is precisely the field in which Shanghai Feihua Industrial Co. Ltd. has been deeply dedicated for years, integrating creative design, personalized customization, mass production, and installation services. Every step from cutting, dyeing, and shaping the paper to pasting, assembling, and displaying the components is imbued with a profound focus on the craft. The paper artworks, refined through multiple processes, retain the natural texture of paper while showcasing a dynamic, artistic tension in the interplay of light and shadow. Moving forward, Feihua Industrial Co. Limited will continue to explore the endless possibilities of paper art, allowing the elegance of paper craftsmanship to shine with even more brilliant artistic radiance.